so far this morning. Missed the open by a second, but we're gapping down on SPX right now. Oil's pretty crazy today. They had that Saudi attack. Close this out. Gonna try to hang out and do something smart today instead of dumb like I have been. Not really doing anything right now. We got this line of support here that it's trying to break through. Could be heading for this monthly point of control is around the 290 or 2978 area. Alright, I got filled. Of course, it'll probably rip now. We need this to hold it down. Looking at everything, it's due a pullback anyways. It's overextended. It's been overextended. Just couldn't handle it. Could have gotten it for so much cheaper. Wow. It's almost free now. Yeah. Futures just ripped big to 3,002. Well, this is our moment of truth here. We're going to see if this is just a little people taking profit on a pullback, or it was the beginning of it rallying back. And it's looking like more of a rally at the moment. So, game plan out the door again. I've got to figure out a way to keep myself from just jumping in so quick on SPY or SPX, same thing. Things happen. I mean, it's crazy in the morning. You never know what's gonna happen. So at least I jumped in on something small. A big risk reward for sure. I bought a debit or a put debit spread for 40 cents. So that's cost me $40. That's the most I can lose. But I can make up to 460 off of it. So all I need is for this thing to drop 20 points. And I look like a genius, but I still should have waited. On the 5 minute, got an indecision on the first candle. Kind of the same thing going on the second candle. Wicks in both directions. So, starting tomorrow, I'm probably going to do a little bit more equities day trading. I'm going to be in a day trading contest with the TradeNet. That's the company I use for equities because they give you so much leverage of their money, not your money. So it's a funded account. So they're having a contest right now. So I'm gonna. It's basically paper trading. No, it is paper trading. But if you win the contest, they give you a $240,000 funded account. Which, why not? I'll try my best to trade it realistically, but I'm going to be doing way more size than I normally would and taking more risks for sure. So it's not really going to be real, but it might be fun to watch. So I do have to work tomorrow, so I don't know if I'll capture any of it. But Wednesday, Thursday, you should see me doing that. All right, we need to break below this opening price. 29.96 area. If we have any hopes of this thing turning into a winner quick. But like I said, right now I could have got this for 25 cents. So I mean, it's only $15 difference, but sorry, I walked away for a moment. My wife is leaving for work and her hands were full and couldn't open the door. So this is looking pretty bullish. This pattern anyways. There it goes. Hopefully it's a fake out and we get crushed. Wow, it's looking super bullish on in the futures market right now. 5-minute looking pretty bullish as well. And this is why you wait to get in. I was afraid again that it was going to go without me. Got in right here, and we've pulled all the way back. Now it may turn around and be a winner, but could have been more of a winner if I waited. And right now it's looking pretty bullish, so well, I was looking at some other options to maybe go long here later on and miss that sweet candlestick. So all these upper shadows on these wicks here are giving me a little bit of hope. This is super indecision right here. It's a Fed meeting, I believe it's Wednesday. Wonder if we're gonna dilly-dally around until then. Futures is trying to make a new high for the morning. It's getting stuffed at the supply line right now. So maybe we can finally pick a direction here. You know, it kind of feels bad shorting the S&P. You know, you're betting on our economy to go down, you know, but I only want it to go down for about half the day. Then it can rip to new highs. That's great. Yeah, now it's at 20 cents. So I'm down $20 on this trade. And I could, so, but basically that means right now, who knows what it's going to do. If I had to guess, it's going to just rip. And probably at least to the gap close up here. However, if I'd have just, right now I could have, if I thought it was bearish, I could get in. I could have got in for half price right now. You only risk 20 to make 480. And the reason I picked the strikes that I did was because the point of control for the month is right here. So Also, historically, for some reason, the middle Monday is usually the market goes down. I don't know what the deal is about that, but let's see. While we're just dicking around, let's see the 812. Is that Monday? Yeah, 812. Didn't really do it there. That's the 13th there at 812. See, Monday it was down in the 715 area. 715 was a Monday. Well, it opened up and it went down. Finished red on that Monday. I'll look at one more real quick. June. We'll look at 10 and 11, or 10 and 17. 17 right here. It was red, but not by much. 10 and kind of went up and then faded into the close, but still finished green. So it feels like those middle Mondays usually give up a lot of gains. Going pretty sideways right now, though. Pink. Just looking at some options in case I decide this thing's gonna be bullish today, but I think I'm just gonna roll with this one and see what happens. The only thing that's probably gonna mess me up is the fact that they're expecting rate cuts Wednesday. And so we'll probably just continue to float up until then. But who knows? They were expecting a rate cut last month and they got it and it sold off. But this is boring as hell. For SPX, this is one hell of a range. Especially compared to, what was it, Thursday? That was nuts. Yeah, right here. For a while we had from open until about noon, that thing was ranging 20-30 points. This is a 30-minute chart. Oh, my belly's saying I'm hungry. This is pretty damn boring. So I'm going to I'm going to keep this rolling for a little bit. It's getting close to that 21 moving average. It's one of those things where, all right, here it is. This is where we either rip or die. My buddy that I trade with is short too, looks like. He's got a call credit spread though, so he's trying to get filled on it. He's not filled yet. Here we go. Now I could have got this thing for 15 cents after it broke through there. I wouldn't have purchased it for 15. I probably would have gotten a better one. So I can get to 80, 85 now for, it's still 70. I don't know. Oh, it just jumped to 70. Thought I could get it for cheaper. Or the 80, 85, that's the one. Yeah, 40, I could get that one for 35 right now. Yeah, so going short at the bottom, pretty down. And then we had all this, you can call it chop, consolidation. And now we're ripping, so I figured once this 21 came down to us, it was going to be time for it to make a move, and it chose not my way. Right through this level. This is off a bit. This is supposed to be the closing price. Well, I got a couple minutes left, and I'm going to call it. I'm going to get on. I tried spies through Robinhood. Gonna look at Robinhood real quick and see. If I like any action on spy. Can't trade the same days like you can on a TD Mirror trade like this though. So let's see. Wow. Oh, those are puts. No wonder they're so expensive. Okay. Calls. Expensive. Alright, let's look at the puts. Also expensive. It's also because they're 2 days out. I'll look at those maybe closer to the end of the day. Maybe I can get something for cheap. Man, this is looking like it's going to totally go close the gap up here. Now I could have got that debit spread for 10 cents. Talk about a bargain. It's right there. All right. We got a minute left or so before I decide to go get ready for work. This level of support here, we broke. Supposed to be support, but we broke through it as a resistance here, and if it turns into support, we know that it's probably going to go up there and fill that gap. Let's see what happens here. If it right through it. It didn't turn it into support at the moment, so it could just be a little fake out in his death time. was typing to a buddy in Discord. This 3,000 area has been it's a psychological number here, so it happens to be sitting around this 21-day moving average too, so yeah, I expected it to bounce a little bit. Hard to get through there. Can we do it? Alright, I'm going to watch to see if we can get through here, and then call it a morning, and I'll comment on the video to tell you where I get out, if I do get out for some profit. So I like that. Checking some things. Well, while I was up there dicking around looking at these things, I was excited to see it bounce below, but it didn't hold long. Alright, probably the last candle I'm going to stream, and then I'm going to my mind's trying to tell me that I'm good right here, because we couldn't get past this level here. We didn't turn it into support, got below, and it kind of turned into resistance right here. So this is where I should have, if I was going to go short, go short. I could have got it for 15 cents instead of 40. So and actually I could have got the next one up for 30 cents. So that's probably what I would have done. Not saying it's the right thing, just this actually gave me a reason to get in, and it would have been a better strike at a better price. And it's trying to it looked like it was trying for a second to do a little head and shoulders pattern. There's the shoulder, the head, and then, but no, it's ripping. So at the moment, even if I'd have waited for my price, or a reason to get in, I still be down right now. So what are you gonna do? What is that? All right, well, yeah, we didn't see any. I was waiting for her breakdown right here. Didn't get it. So I'm going to give it, last time that I say it, a couple more, like a minute or two to see if we get back below this line right here. We're back below it. Ish. I mean, it's, it's support and resistance is not an exact number, so I would like to see it get below that area and stay, though. Wow, that's a good candle for somebody short. I was just checking to see if there was any news. I didn't see anything that caused anything to. We got to get below this 3,000. 977. Yeah. I'm going to set some alerts here. So when I'm getting ready, that, that's great. Well, somehow I just crashed my TD. That's been happening for the first time ever. It happened Thursday, and now it happened again. So I'm guessing that I need to do an update. Anyhow, that's my sign to cut it short, and I will talk to you guys. It'll probably be Wednesday before you see me again. So you guys have a great day.